Preview.
Our friend, I'm Parikshet from Kids Fun and Craft, and we are going to draw a drone.
We're going to draw
Drone.
drone.
Yeah.
What is that drone?
You know?
Okay, let's start drawing a drone. And as always, we will be needing.
What does a drone do?
It flies with its 4 wings, and it is multifunctional. You can use it as a toy. You can use it as a camera recorder. You can use it for security purposes. You can also use it for delivery purposes. A lot of uses are being planned for drones. But for us, it is a toy that we play with. Let's start drawing the drone with a camera. Okay? As always, we'll be needing a.
Ouch.
As always, we'll be needing a.
This hurts.
It's okay. As always, we'll be needing a black sketch pen.
And paper, scissors, blue colors, and let's start drawing.
In the center, it's the drone's machinery. That is small.
What is wrong? I'm going to choose.
I haven't even started drawing and you're already confused.
Yeah, obviously. This is a difficult drawing. You know that? Yeah, you're not even starting and you're saying stuff.
Yeah.
Isn't that obvious?
Yeah, it is.
I should be Papa, do you have to draw a circle instead of this? There, I'm confused actually. Let me see. At least let me see.
Okay.
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 Wait for me, I'm saying.
Okay, I'm waiting. I'm not doing it.
Is it like this? Why is it like this?
And then the hanging camera.
And the flip goofy camera.
And now let's draw the drone's wings.
Let me see, please, let me see. Oh, I know. Let me see. Let me see.
See.
Huh? And this. Papa. Is it like this? Oh, I'm getting a little confused.
What is confusing? This is an easy one. Okay, good till here. Now the wings.
Wings are difficult.
No, they are easy. That's all.
I don't know, Papa.
What do you know?
I'm getting confused actually.
Not to get confused.
You're not getting confused. I'm getting confused.
It's okay. Oh, finally we are done. Let's quickly color it with reds and yellows. We'll be making a colorful drone. Okay, Parikshet?
You make it colorful. I'll make it
We are done. The beautiful drawing of this drone. So let's wait for Parikshet to finish his drawing. Until then, parents, why don't you share your kids' drawing with us on Instagram if you want to win some exciting goodies from Parikshet and Kids Fun and Club. Right, Parikshet?
I just need a black color.
The black color. Awesome. We are done?
Yeah.
Do you want to say something?
If you love this video, do like and subscribe my channel to see more of these amazing drawing videos. Have a good day.